Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Now We Know channel. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to fix Play Store is not able to download apps. So let's get started. Well, if you're trying to download apps on Play Store, but it doesn't allow you to do this, well, here the first thing we're going to do to fix this problem is to go to our settings. Now scroll all the way down and tap on Apps option. After that, hit the second option, Manage Apps. And now we're going to scroll all the way down till we get to Google Play Store. So tap on it. And now tap on Clear Data, then Clear Cache. Now confirm. And now reopen Play Store again and see if the problem has been resolved. Now, if it hasn't, here, check your storage on your phone. So here we're going to go back. And now we're going to tap on About Phone. And here we got storage, so I'm going to tap on it. And here it will show you how much storage left to you. So as you see here, we only got 3.3 gigabytes available. Here, if you're trying to download an app or a game that is more than, let's say, it's 8 gigabytes or 10 gigabytes, then unfortunately Play Store won't allow you to download it because it's more than the gigabytes that are left to you. So here, try to free up some storage, clear apps or delete some things that you don't use or don't want, and then try to re-download the app or the thing that you're trying to download on Play Store. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya!